Today we're going to be working on decreasing and increase stitches. So just for now I'm going to be doing one knit stitch and then a decreasing stitch. So there's our knit, and how we decrease is we actually just knit 2 stitches together. So we're going in from the second stitch as if it's, just a normal knit, but we're actually picking up both stitches. You can see I'm resting on the needles there. And just continue like a normal knit stitch. If you look closely, you can see both loops have come together at the back. So we're going to do knit 1, knit 2 together, another knit 1 and knit 2 together. It will be a little tricky just because you are trying to hold 2 stitches together. It might feel a little tight, but that's perfectly okay. And there's the last knit 2 together. So if I hold it up to the camera, you can see the stitches kind of gathering. Every second one, it goes from 2 stitches into 1, and you can kind of tell the difference between the plain and the 2 together stitches. So now I'm just going to work a row of purl stitches. And just to show you again the decreases, I'm going to do 2 together for the whole row. Your pattern will always tell you how many you need to do and where you need to do them. This is just me showing you what a 2 together looks like. And there you have it. So I'm just going to work a few more rows just to build a bit of height so that the increases and decreases aren't too close together and you can see what I'm doing. So for this I'm going to start doing the increases, which are a little trickier. So we're going to insert to knit, wrap our yarn around, pull out our loop, but instead of slipping it off, we're actually going to put our needle into the back of the stitch and wrap around the yarn again and pull out our loop, and now we can slip it off. So I see that again. We go in the front, wrap around. Now we're going to move our needle to the back of the stitch and insert it there and wrap around again. This one will definitely feel tight because you're working so many stitches into one stitch, but you'll get more comfortable doing it the more you do it. So again, I'm just going to purl one row here so that we can work back into the knit side. And this time I'm going to work knit 1 and then increase into the next. Sometimes you'll see this written as knit front and back, or just increase. Knit 1 into the front and then into the back of the stitch, knit 1 stitch, then I'm working into the front and into the back and slipping off the needle. And there you have some basic decreases and increases.